Hi and welcome to Wigan RC, another beautiful day in Melbourne. And today is a good day. After all the restrictions have been eased with all this lockdown, we can finally get out and about, and I'm on the way to a very special location, and finally one of my dreams of getting an e-bike has come true. So I'm on the way to Stealth, Australia. There I'm actually going to the manufacturing headquarters where the bikes are actually made and assembled. This is the first time I think there's been a video done of inside the factory, and I'm going to basically go and see my bike being built, what's involved in the construction, the components and stuff like that. And so I'm really excited. It's just amazing opportunity to get to go and see Stealth Australia. They're famous for their B52, P37, their P7 and the F37 Fighter. So I'm gonna go down to the factory. Hopefully my bike's finished, and we're going to have a great walk around the bike, and then later on we'll see the construction, fabrication and so forth, and then we'll go from there. So another beautiful day in Melbourne, Australia. The sun's shining. It's nearly, I think it's 30 degrees or something like that, so it's warm. And yeah, really excited about it. So stick with us to the end and we'll see you soon.
Alright guys, this is the prefabrication stage of the, this is what's a P7 swing arm, freshly being delivered by our laser cutter, which they've called them to the shape as well. So Phil will then start to fab it all up.
Great.
Phil from Stealth. I do all the fabrication and welding here, and here we have the Stealth Fighter, or the F37 swing arms, which I'm making currently. These have all been welded up, the chromoly sheet welded up with the TIG welding, cleaned up, and now they're going into the jig for the next stage, where I'll be mostly using the MIG welder to put on the dropouts, the front bracket and the brackets at the front here. Once that's welded, I'll put this bridge over the top. I'll bolt those in. That'll hold the brake bracket, and the suspension mounts will go there, so that'll all be welded up. Once that's finished, it'll be cleaned up and end up much like this. This has got a bit more cleaning up to be done, and then that will go out for powder coating. And once it's powder coated in the appropriate colour, the boys in the assembly shop would be putting that together.
Okay, great.
Yep, so this is pretty much a finished product of what Phil was working on earlier. This is freshly back from the powder coaters and ready to be assembled onto a bike.
So Paul's assembling an F37. Now that the frame has been powder coated, this is stage one, yeah, Paul?
Yes, stage one.
Stage one. So how many years have you been working for Stealth, Paul?
Actually started last week, so
Oh, so
pretty
you're
fresh.
new.
Yeah, pretty fresh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Newbie.
picking it up pretty quick though.
Yes.
ignition in there and the charging plug, the infill plate as well at the top here, and that's all been affixed. From this stage it would then go over and get the gearbox installed.
Okay, great.
So what we have here is this is a stealth controller. Well, it's made by Crystalite. This is what's fitted on the F37 and the B52s. We do open them up and configure them, you know, to suit our bikes. So that's the BMS. This is actually what's inside each and every battery of ours. It pretty much manages the cells inside a battery pack. And yeah, these are what some of our batteries look like. These are the P7 batteries. They're running at 48 volts. Same with the F37, they're 48 volts as well. The B52 batteries are bigger and they're running at 72 volts. I haven't got one here to show you, but
No, that's fine. So all the CNC machines, lathes, millers, where they cut a lot of the parts. So a total vertical business. So this is Al, and Al is the assembly master. So this is my F37 finally getting assembled, and Al's putting on the suspension, all of the panels, the burner, DNM, rear shock. So Al's now putting on all the suspension. These are the Fast Ace suspension, and they've got 200mm of travel. So you're filling up with just the brake fluid.
Yeah, it's Magura Royal Blood is called.
Okay.
Just amino.
So this is the throttle ready to go on, and the MT5 brakes from Magura. So this is the second gear click system, isn't it?
Yes, that's 2-speed drive, I call it. And you change gear by pushing the button.
All the chains here. One roll does about 50 bikes. So plenty of chain there. So now all that's left is to clip in all of the wires, battery, and connect everything up. So all the batteries are tested first, make sure the voltage is nominal and ready to go in the bike. Our controller is on. Here's a controller ready to go. Set it up here. Make sure it fits. We have life. Fantastic. So now, a bit of padding, protect the battery from any vibration. And we're almost complete.
There she is, mate.
That's it. So just the side panels to go on and all done. Ready for action. Oh, thank you so much. That was great. So here's some of the crates ready for shipping out to customers. Ready to go. So included in the kit is the charger for the bike and your keys, USB with some of the information in the manual, and a nice stealth hat. So looking forward to getting this baby charged up, ready to rip. Alright, so here is my new bike. So all finished, and as you've just seen the build, bit by bit, we didn't go too in depth, but we saw a fair bit of the build. So thanks a lot to Luke and the team at Stealth Electric Bikes. And yeah, I'm really excited about seeing what this baby can do and I'm going to be doing a part 2 review when I get out there on the road and have my first ride. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you thought of the video, tell me what you thought about the team and how they build their bikes and so forth. It'll be interesting to know, and don't forget to share the video to all your friends and all of our e-bike community. And then yeah, so great day spent with the guys at Stealth, and if you want any more information, it'll be in the description of the video of where you can purchase and the website and so forth, and then you can check out prices and so forth, and yeah, you can go from there. Happy ripping!